I'm Mitch Jacobs with Intelligent Technologies.
Acumatica is literally changing the paradigm in this world. It's doing it in two dramatic ways. One, it's offering a variety of platforms, so a true cloud software as a service, or traditional on-site. Maybe a hybrid's the best option. All three are available to you. It's your choice. Secondly, Acumatica offers unlimited users. It's not priced on a per-user basis. This is opening up brand new thoughts on productivity through access. Acumatica is naturally a web-based product, but it's built with the latest technology and provides a truly responsive design so that it's going to work effectively on any device, phone, tablet, or computer, enabling you to work anywhere, at any time, and on any browser. So let's get to the fun stuff. Take a look at this overview from Acumatica, and then you can reach back out to Intelligent Technologies for more detail.
Acumatica creates business software that is built for the web. Using Acumatica, you can access your business and financial applications from anywhere in the world using any device with a standard web browser. Because Acumatica is designed to run on the web, applications look and perform like desktop applications, yet they require no client software, so they can be inexpensively maintained, centrally managed, and accessed from anywhere. Acumatica provides flexible deployment scenarios to match your business needs. 1. You can purchase Acumatica as an all-inclusive SaaS solution with hardware, software, bandwidth, storage, and upgrades. 2. You can purchase a server license and host Acumatica in your facilities. 3. You can opt to purchase and deploy your solution in a data center by purchasing a standard Windows hosting plan or cloud computing service. With Acumatica, you can change your deployment as your needs change, so you're never locked into a single hosting or customization vendor. Acumatica is mobile. 100% of the features can be accessed from a browser-enabled device, such as a PC, Mac, tablet, or smartphone. The user interface is controlled by sophisticated access policies and customizations, which can be established by your company and modified for individual users. Each user benefits from a unique client experience. When I log in as a different user, I see dashboards and menu options which are tailored to my needs. Reports contain only the data that I am authorized to see. Acumatica ERP solutions have advanced financial features to support IFRS as well as US GAAP, and a fully integrated CRM solution for customer lifecycle management. Each module was developed using the Acumatica Developer Suite, which allows rapid creation of new web-based applications using common development platforms such as Microsoft Visual Studio. Acumatica's customization tools allow you to modify the visual, functional, and database-related features of an implementation. Non-technical users can use web tools to build reports, modify workflow, add user-defined fields, and change the screen appearance. Advanced users can use the API and SDK to integrate other systems and modify source code. Changes are stored separately from core logic, so customizations are maintained during upgrades. Acumatica includes document management capabilities for attaching receipts, forecast assumptions, and other information to financial transactions. This improves auditing by linking documentation directly to financial transactions. A business class wiki is available to manage help files and portals, so I can create document sharing spaces for specific teams or projects. Customizing dashboards. Dashboards provide an easy way to customize your Acumatica experience and improve your productivity. In this video, I demonstrate how to customize dashboards using pre-configured widgets. When I first log in, Acumatica displays the default dashboard set by my administrator. This page can contain information and help files, announcements, financial data, business process alerts, KPIs, shortcuts, and more. As you can see, my home dashboard contains information targeted to sales personnel. With proper permissions, I can change this dashboard or select a different home dashboard from several that my company has made available. In addition to the home dashboard, each module contains a customizable dashboard. In this case, the standard dashboard that links to help files is displayed. I can add elements by navigating to a screen or wiki article that I want to place on a dashboard. In this case, I selected the accounts by period and selected my main sales account. The presence of the Dashboard button lets me know that I have permission to add the screen information to a dashboard. By clicking the button, I can choose to display a table or a chart. Once selected, I add the appropriate title, pick where I want the inquiry to appear, and specify the fields and actions I want to display. When I navigate to the target dashboard, I see the new table. I can reformat the table by clicking and dragging. Using the drill down feature, I can click on my dashboard to investigate a specific account or figure. I can just as easily delete my dashboard table or revert back to the default template established by the system administrator. The Acumatica Wiki allows me to create visually appealing dashboards that link to specific pages and reports. In this case, I navigate to pre-configured wiki articles and add them to my dashboard with a few simple clicks. I can also add information from processing screens, so I can see at a glance when activities need to be performed. In this case, I have added information from an order processing screen. When I navigate to my dashboard, I can resize and arrange the items. As you can see, I can customize a dashboard with my specific needs in under a minute without help from a technical expert. Dashboards help you be more productive without incurring large customization expenses. But dashboards are only one way to customize your experience. Acumatica also provides favorites, report writers, screen designers, and other customization tools. Reporting tools. Acumatica provides reporting tools to deliver customized business intelligence to everybody in your organization. Using Acumatica's reporting tools, you can modify existing Acumatica reports and develop new ones which can be delivered online, converted to PDF, or delivered via email. I will demonstrate 3 reporting utilities that are included with Acumatica. The first is a web-based financial reporting tool. The second is a Windows-based desktop utility that allows you to create custom views of your data. The third is a generic inquiry designer for building database queries. The web-based reporting tool is located in the General Ledger module. The Report Definition screen allows me to specify input parameters and define the appearance of my report. Each report consists of a row set, a column set, and a unit set. The row set allows me to define the content and appearance of rows within my report. I can specify which accounts to include by defining an account range or an account class. By specifying my data sources in this manner, I can modify my chart of accounts without having to modify my reports. Each row can be printed as a single line or expanded to provide a line for each account. The column set allows me to create side-by-side comparisons over different periods. Each column can display values at different points during that period. I can create a column with a type called calc to show percentage differences and make other comparisons. The unit set is an optional feature which allows me to define a tree structure for my reports using sub-accounts. This allows me to create reports for different products, subsidiaries, and regions without creating and managing separate reports. I can add reports to the system sitemap so they can be accessed by everybody. Reports can be added to any menu and can have specific access controls. I can run a report by selecting it from the menu and specifying any required parameters. As I'm viewing this report, I can display groups because I specified a unit set when I created the report. The Acumatica Report Designer is a desktop utility that can create a wide range of reports using any table and field in my database. I can import a list of database tables and fields using web services to define the schema for my report. In this example, I will modify an existing report with a schema that is already defined. Within the schema, I define the tables, relationships, data filters, sorting and grouping details, and the parameters that users define at runtime. After defining my schema, I can drag and drop values into the header, detail, or footer sections of the report. If required, I can add additional sections to each report. Within each field, I can define properties which change the design and appearance of my report. When complete, my report is saved as an XML document, which I can include in any Acumatica menus, just as I did with the balance sheet in the previous example. The Generic Inquiry Designer is an online query tool for creating database queries that can be added to my sitemap and dashboards. To write a query, select the database tables you need to include. Next, relate the records in the table using the key data fields. In the Conditions tab, describe the records you want to select. In this example, I referenced an input parameter that users select when the report is run. Finally, select the fields that you want to display in the results grid. In this case, I created an inquiry that lists all of the sales quotes for a particular customer. This query can easily be added to the Acumatica sitemap and made available to anybody with the appropriate access rights. Acumatica reporting tools are completely integrated with the security policies and datasets defined within your application. This means that customized business intelligence can be distributed to everybody according to data security policies that you establish. Advanced functions like converting to PDF, emailing, and exporting to Excel are instantly available for all reports created using any reporting tool.
Access from anywhere. Acumatica allows you to access your financial applications anywhere you have a browser and an internet connection. In this example, I will access a hosted server from my office computer. I am using the Internet Explorer browser, but all major types of browsers are supported, including Mozilla Firefox, Apple Safari, and Google Chrome. As I review journal transactions in the General Ledger, notice that the response time is fast. This is because Acumatica is designed for the web. As I use the application, only the data that I request is sent to my browser. Applications components such as images, static HTML, and static data classes are cached in the browser so the application looks and feels like it is running as a local desktop application, even when doing a full context search. Even data-intensive tasks, such as running a detailed trial balance report, deliver a rapid response time. Once the report is generated, scanning pages can be accomplished quickly because only the data being displayed is transferred to the browser. Acumatica allows me to access my business applications from anywhere, and I can use my mobile phone or tablet device without installing apps or connecting to a VPN. The web-centric design of Acumatica enables the screen to adapt to the device I'm using without additional programming or configuration.
Thank you.
Thanks again for joining us. Please use the links below for more information or to start your free trial.